Well, hi there! Today we are going to learn how to make sweet potato hash. Yes, because I also cannot cook. Anyway, this is what you need to follow along. I will also put them in the description below, so feel free to check them out. And I will review the recipe based on these categories. So, without further ado, let's give it a try. We begin by peeling 300 grams of sweet potato. Feel free to use whatever sweet potato you can find, but I'm using purple sweet potato. No, it's not ube. Ube is purple yam from Philippines. It's yam, not sweet potato. They taste totally different. Anyway, slice the sweet potatoes into cubes, roughly about 1 cm thick. Make sure they are evenly sized so they can cook evenly. After that, put them into a bowl, add a drizzle of olive oil, some black pepper, and about 4 teaspoons of salt. Mix them up so the oil covers the sweet potato and put them somewhere else. Meanwhile, slice 2 sticks of sausage. You can use any sausage you can find. This time I'm using German sausage. I think it's called bratwurst or something. I'm slicing them to tiny wheels and leave them aside. And now let's actually cook the recipe. Add some olive oil into a non-stick pan and dump the sausages in. Wait until they show some nice color and then take them out. After that, put the sweet potatoes in. Cook them with low heat and mix them every now and then. Leave them on the stove until a fork can stab them easily. This process took me about 10 to 15 minutes. After the sweet potatoes are soft, mix them with the sausages that we cooked. This is also the time you can check for seasonings. Mine needs more salt, so I'll add some more. And that's basically it. Put them into a nice looking bowl, and here we have our sweet potato hash. Now, let's start the review. Sweet potatoes are in season, so the price should be cheap. In other words, the price for the whole recipe depends on how expensive the sausage that you use. For the difficulty category, I think this recipe is very easy to make. Sweet potatoes are easy to prepare, and pre-made sausage can be prepared in less than 2 minutes. I am pleasantly surprised with how few the number of dishes is. I didn't use much utensils, and everything that I used only need a quick rinse. For the taste, I think I like this recipe. The sweetness of sweet potato and the meaty sausage are like fighting with each other in my mouth. The more I bite, the more they clash, which is very interesting to me. It tastes really good. And that's for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time.